The way you brush your hair from your face, and the way you smile. I can't wait to turn another page and follow you 1,000 miles. In this world things will change, but you remain a center stage, a sacred place. I see you're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea.
When I proposed to you, I said I couldn't think of the right words to say how much I loved you, but I would spend the rest of my life trying to find those words. Today and going forwards, I promised I'll keep trying to find those words and show you what you mean to me each and every single day.
The way your body moves when you dance, it's like an ocean wave. It's got me in a magnetic trance that I can't escape. Even when I close my eyes, I feel you breathe next to me.
I, Robert Alexander Love,
I, Dawn Annie Margaret O'Brien,
take you, Dawn Annie Margaret O'Brien,
take you, Robert Alexander Love,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded husband.
Today, I give you this ring, and as your husband, I make you this promise. I will continue to love you with every fibre of my being for the rest of our lives.
Today, I give you my hand, my heart, and my word that I will be a loving and devoted wife, always.
The question is asked, is there anything more beautiful in life than a young couple clasping hands and pure hearts in the path of marriage? Can there be anything more beautiful than young love? And the answer is given, yes, there is a more beautiful thing. It is a spectacle of an old man and an old woman finishing their journey together on that path. Their hands are gnarled but still clasped. Their faces are seamed but still radiant. Their hearts are physically bowed and tired but still strong with love and devotion. Yes, there is a more beautiful thing than young love, old love.
Dance with me beneath the stars, moonlight crashing on our wild hearts, with your head in mine.
In the run-up to today, we've been so buzzing, and I mean singing, jumping around the kitchen in excitement and anticipation to celebrate with you all. I can't underestimate how much it means to us, and it really is about so much more than the flowers and all of the fairy lights, or even the tequila shots that Danny is no doubt going to be buying within the hour. What makes today infinitely special is the people, our closest friends and family coming together to celebrate with us. It just wouldn't be a love wedding without you all.
Carry the love that we swore. If you just take my hand, oh, won't you just take my hand for the rest of our lives?
So, a toast to all you fabulous people, my handsome new husband, and one very fine suit. Cheers!
For the rest of our lives. Silent prayers, open sky. Together we go, wild frontier, morning.
Robert, Bobby, husband. We bloody did it! Woo!
Can we just take a minute to appreciate how fit my wife is? My wife! My wife!
I'm generally so proud of my best buddy for finding the love of his life. So finally, I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to raise your glasses and toast my best friend and his beautiful bride, the new Mr. and Mrs. Love. Guys, ciao.
I genuinely feel so lucky to have someone so thoughtful, kind, patient, and most importantly, ginger, to be my partner. You've always got my back, even on the very rare occasions when I'm being a complete pain in the arse.
So rare.
So rare. You are quite simply my favourite human, and I love you more than you'll ever know. The biggest thank you today should really go to you.
You are the reason for getting out of bed each day. My motivation to succeed in life, my inspiration to live by. Dawn, I'm excited for what life has in store for us. Excited for the journey ahead, the adventures we'll go in. Here's to our life ahead of us, our future together as husband and wife, to Mrs. Dawn Love.